Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay a bill using the Scotiabank app. This process is simple and you can do it anytime from your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Scotiabank app and log in to your account. Once you are on the home screen, go to the bottom menu and tap on Move Money. After that, select Payments and Transfers, then tap on Pay Bills. Now you will see a page where you can enter your bill payment details. First, choose the account you want to pay from, like your checking account. Next, select the person or company you want to pay. Then, enter the amount you want to pay. You can also set the payment date and choose if you want it to repeat or just pay once. After checking all the details, go to the bottom and slide the button to confirm the payment. That's it. Your bill will be paid successfully. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.